Children, let's learn how to draw a structure of heart. We will begin it like this, and we'll go on in very simple way. It can be drawn. Upper part and lower part. It is slightly tilted towards the left, though it is present in the center of chest cavity, but the apex of heart is tilted towards the left. This is septum of the heart. This one is this side, the whole side. This is left side, and this is right side of heart. Here we will draw the wall of heart, and we will see the 4 chambers. So this is how it is divided into 4 chambers. After seeing the 4 chambers, you can easily mark the upper 2 chambers are the auricle, lower 2 chambers are the ventricle. So this is left side. So this one is left auricle. This is left right auricle. This is left ventricle and right ventricle. The 4 chambers of the heart are separated by the left side of heart is separated by the 2 chambers in the left side of heart are separated by the aperture. And here also on the right side the 2 chambers are separated by the aperture, and both the apertures are known as auriculoventricular aperture. So this is auriculoventricular aperture. Here also it is auriculoventricular aperture. And now we will see, this is all about the chambers, the septum. This is septum, which is muscular. Wall made up of muscles and membrane. This is also the wall of ventricle, which is very thick, and the wall of auricle is very thin. The wall of auricle is very thin. It is not that much thicker. Now we will see the vessels. Now we will see the vessels or the blood vessels. This need to be erased. This also needs to be erased. One blood vessel arising from where? From the right ventricle, and this is a T-shaped vessel. This is clearly T-shaped blood vessel, and this blood vessel is pulmonary artery. And here one blood vessel is rising, which is almost roughly S-shaped, and this blood vessel is aorta. A blood vessel which is opening into the left auricle. There are a pair of blood vessels opening into the left auricle. These are pulmonary veins. So pulmonary vein, P for pulmonary. In the right auricle, one blood vessel which is bringing blood from lower part of the body, the vena cava, which is known as inferior vena cava, bringing blood from lower part of the body, and one blood vessel is known as superior vena cava. So here we can draw superior vena cava, which is bringing blood from upper part of the body. This is aorta and this is superior vena cava. These two are the aperture. Here we can draw easily the valve. This one is bicuspid valve, and this is tricuspid valve. There is no space. This is tricuspid valve. And the opening of this is taking blood away, this is taking blood away, this is bringing blood in, this is bringing blood in. Smaller chambers, larger chambers, thicker wall, thinner wall, and here on the whole left side of the heart only oxygenated blood is there, means oxygen rich, and right side is having carbon dioxide rich blood. So this is taking blood for purification, this is bringing blood, pure blood, this is bringing impure blood, that is carbon dioxide rich blood, and here it is reaching. So this is how you can easily draw the structure of the heart.